Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video's topic is Stream API. We have already covered our first part. In that part, we have covered a theoretical concept of Stream API. In this video, we will cover a practical implementation of the methods and the remaining part. Okay. So if you haven't watched this first video, just go to my channel and search this playlist Java 8 new features, and you will find a first part here. And the remaining topics we have completed yet. All the videos I have added in this playlist, like lambda expression or functional interface, default method, predicates, and functions. You can watch it from here. Okay, so let's start today's video without waste any time. So in first video what we have completed this difference between IO and stream and collection and stream. Okay, and at last we have covered what is a filter, when we have to use, and what is a map and when we have to use. Okay, and processing. So instead of like we have two step, right, to getting object from the stream or performing any operation to the stream, we have two step. In first step we will do configuration, in second step we will do processing, right? Yeah, so for doing a processing we have lots of method in this step, like count, minimum, maximum, or to find or something. We have all these method like minimum, maximum, and toArray, and like find, any, or noneMatch. These all are the method used in processing object, okay, from the stream. And these all methods are called stream terminal operations. Okay, we might have something 13 to 14 methods. I have not write here full, so because if I do all the implementation all these objects, the video will become so long. Okay, so yeah, because if you found all the object, it are pretty simple, it's not complicated anything here. Okay, and let me talk about now filter and map. So let me show you the practical thing about filter and map here. Okay, so this is a filter. Okay, let me write this again so you will not feel like I have write already and I'm showing you something predefined codes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so suppose you have this array list. Okay, if you want me to, I will create this again. So yeah, you have this 10, 20, 30, 40. You have this array list, and what you want to do, you want to take out the element which are greater than 20. Only you need an element which is greater than 20. Okay, so let me do one thing. Call the stream method on the top of your collection object and apply the filter here. Filter, I already told you, it expect the predicate. And what is a predicate? Predicate is a boolean validity function, right? So we need a predicate when we take a decision on the boolean condition like true or false. So we will say here I lambda expression I greater than 20, right? Now at last we will collect this after the perform operations, terminal operation, and we will say to list. Fine. Now when our operation is complete, right, I have taken out the all the stream here, final list here from the stream. So just go here and either you come manually assign like list. Okay, we are doing like this only, right? List of integer or something, right? Whatever it is, and it is list, right? Yeah, it is completely fine. Or even do one thing, I will tell you the shortcut. Just come here and say control1, and it will ask you the available options you can assign to the local variable, and it will do the work automatically for you. Either you are using this IDE, right? I'm using Eclipse or IntelliJ, it will work in all this IDE. So if you're using IDE, it should just take advantage of that, right? So syso and collect. Okay, so if you now just run this program, you will get an answer, right? What is the requirement here? So this is a what I am doing here. We are write a program or write a lambda expression, whatever it is. So I will say write a program to take out number, take out a list where number greater than 20, right? Yeah. So now I will give the one requirement, and we will say write a program to take out list from the stream. Yeah, take out list, where take out the list, take out the final list, where we are adding 5 to each element. Got it? Yeah. Now write a program for this. How can we write it? Just think about it, okay? And I will do it right now for you, okay? But when you are just practicing it, just do it by your own ones, okay? So l1 dot stream, right? And we will say map here. And in first video we have discussed, right, about map. So we are using a map when we want some changes in our data, or we want a new object. Okay, so I will say lambda expression I plus 5, just add 5 in every element. Okay, and at last give me the to list, right? Yeah, fine. And just come here and say control 1, it will do your work automatically, right? Yeah, collect 2, and it will say system.output and collect 2, and just run this. And let me do one thing, sysOS to make a difference here, right? Okay, yeah, if you can check, this is our first requirement, first question, and this is the last question, right? We are adding a 5 in each and every element, right? Pretty simple, right? There is no complex thing to be right about the this map and something, right? So now we will look into some terminal operations, and we will make this API more simpler. So we will perform some actions, and we will make it more simpler, and we will go the more deeper, right, to see this stream API. Okay, yeah. So let's check what is the requirement now. Let me do one thing. This is terminal operations, right? Terminal operations. Okay, so the first one is first one I will do for toArray. Okay, this is a method. Okay, now for doing this toArray method, let me do in my way, and I will attach this code. Okay, don't not worry about it. Okay, so let me do stream, and I will say integer and s. Okay, so we will say stream of which let me say 1 2 3 6 5 6. Okay, yeah, whatever it is, I just want a stream, right? So you already get a stream, and I forgot to mention this is stream of method. What it will do for any like sequence, whatever a sequence is, like integer, character, or a string, it will give you the stream of that. Okay, and I already told you, and we have this stream here, right? We have discussed in the first video. So when how many ways we are getting a stream, right? Either you can invoke that this as.stream, right? Either you invoke a stream method, either you invoke a stream method on the collection object, or either you can do like in this way, stream.off, you will get a stream object, right? Now I want to perform a toArray. So if you perform this method toArray, let me first tell you the syntax, what it is written, and what is it, right? So no, it will not like that. So toArray, yeah. Okay, so let me go inside it, and if you able to see here, right, it is returning an object array. It will not give me the integer array. I need to be typecast, or I need to do something here, right? So let me take to the back, and yeah, assign it to the local variable for me. Yeah, now if you can check here, or if you can do one thing, print this array. So I will say for okay, yeah, just a second. If you have this array for okay, and object a and array, right? And sys o, yeah, okay. So let me run this program. Let me write here something, sys o, right? Okay. Okay, let me make this easier. Print and first print this and space, yeah bro, yeah, because I don't want to be my output be like weird, right? So I have arranged my output here. So why the system has become so slow? Yeah, if you can check here, right? This is 1 2 3 4 array, object array, right? If you want to typecast here, you can typecast here like integer into integer, or any whatever you want here, like character and integer, right? It will automatically do that, which you know done the basic of Java at typecasting. Okay, yeah. So our first operation is finished, right? You don't need to do anything either. You just get a stream. Just understand this concept. If you have a stream, right? If you have a stream object, right? Like from, if you get a stream from like a character or integer, you can perform all these operations on that object. Which object? Sorry, which operations? This terminal operations. So let's move to the next operation. So let me make here, yeah. So the second one is let me check what it is. Count. Okay, so come here. So we will say count, sorry, what I'm writing here. Okay, so we will do for this same example. Okay, so I have create this is stream s. Okay, so we will take it. Can I give the some reason like a readable name, or leave it? Yeah, leave it, right? We will use something, yeah. So come here down and we will use a count, and how the count work actually. So let me show you s dot count. If you can see here, count is able to return a long value. So let me take you inside it. It will return a long value. It's actually why I'm showing every syntax to you. It is a good point or good programming practice to remember a syntax of not every method but frequently used method, because whenever you do a coding in your project or do in a coding in your company, whenever you hire something somewhere, right, or you already work, it will help you to do the coding faster. Okay, so come back, control backspace, sorry, arrow key. So yeah, just assign to it a local variable, assign long, and can you print it for me? Okay. And we will say sys o, and I will give something here, right? Like this is our second operation, right? So I will give like this. What is the error here? Can you please check? Okay, stream. What is the error? What is the error? What is the error? Illegal state of operation. Where it is 40. Why it is count? Okay, let me check again. What is the problem here? As dot count, and it will return a long value. Okay, I don't think so. We have to get any error. Okay, I got it. Why we are going getting any error? So let me do one thing. Comment it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. As dot count. Can run it again. Yeah. Actually, we are modifying something, or you are using some this stream and here, right? So it is getting me an error. Okay, so no need to worry about. From the next example I will take something some other stream. So let me uncomment it. So I will give you the exact code. Okay, So come here. Okay, okay, so we will say s1 and we will say here s1. Now error will not come. Check it. 5, right? Yeah. And why this is not a good example? Yeah, because of this value. So let me do one thing. Say so. Yeah, let me check. Now it's perfect, right? Yeah. So let me do one thing here. Just copy these two guys and paste here, and yeah, 3. Okay, and let me check what is the next operation is. It is for each. Okay. Okay, let me tell you one thing. We can use a for each in a different ways. Either I can use with a filter also, or I can use for each I can use in many ways. Okay, so I will show you the like 1 or 2 ways here. Okay, so like if you remember in collection, if we are using array list, right? So we are inserting element in array list one by one, so we can use here same way to inserting element. So let me copy this, right? So we will say s2, and what is a r is for each, right? So let me check. So we will see s2 dot like for each, and here what we will say system dot out. Okay, I haven't not tell you one thing, if I remember, that is a double colon operator, right? Reference operator here. So I will not use that. Okay, so because it will might confuse you if you are following this tutorial, right? So system dot out println alley. Okay, let me run this, and not this. Let me do this for you. Okay, yeah, if you can check here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 add down, right here. Yeah, this is for each. So this is an example of for each. So let me take right here. Okay. Now let me go to the fourth option. Okay, what is the first option is min and max. These are the important actually. I have used several times. I will finish in one shot, minimum and maximum. Both are similar actually, that's why I'm saying. Okay, so let me do one thing for you. Copy, paste, and both these guy I want here. Okay, yeah, and I will give s3 to it. Okay, and now I want a minimum number or maximum number. So actually I will show you one. So what is what it is returning. Okay, s3 dot minimum. You can see here it will asking for you like comparator. Either you give a default natural sorting, or either you give a your customizer sorting. So use minimum, or let me take you inside this. It will return an optional class object. Okay, so just go inside it. It will return optional, and it is a class like which have different utilities, right? So just came back, and now what you have to do here, let's do one thing. I will give the lambda expression for comparing a object. Okay, so if you're not understanding this, okay, so let me know. Okay, I will tell you how I am doing this. Okay, and how I get to know like this will work here. Okay, so this is a way, like I'm not doing anything here. Okay, suppose if you are working in a collection, okay, and you have to do something. Okay, so like sorry, not you have to do something, you have to sort your collection object via some default natural sorting order. Okay, you have to sort your collection. So either you have to use comparable, or either you have to use comparator, right? So in that case, if you are giving a implementation to your comparator, to your compare method, you writing something like that, right? So I'm giving that implementation here, as we have discussed in first class of lambda expression, right? How the lambda expression work. Okay, so let me do one thing here. Now it will say get. We have a two-way here. Either I will say like this and assign it to the local variable for me, and I will say in sysO my minimum, okay, like this is minimum. What is the minimum? Is minimum get. Okay, same way. So let me run this program, and I will what is the number is 3 4, right? 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5. Let me run this. Okay, it is taking time. I don't know why my system is slow today. Okay, so just yeah, output is come here. Why it's coming not arrangeable form? I don't know. Yeah, it came here, and okay, the count is 1 2 3. What's showing like this? Let me arrange this output once. Okay, just a second, I will do it in a second. Okay, 1 2 3, it will show like this for each, and yeah, let me check. Not okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now here. Okay, I know this is a very bad way of explaining, or this is very bad way of writing a code. Okay, do not do this in real-time applications. I'm doing this all things to just separate the outputs. Okay, and I'm doing this to make you understand and make you explain here, and please do not follow this programming practice in your real life. Okay, either someone throw you out from the company. Okay, yeah, sure. Now let's move. Yeah, so we will say minimum maximum. Our minimum is this, and for in the same manner I will take out my max. Okay, so you can just copy it and say here, and yeah, inform like here I'm taking minimum, so I will take here max. Okay, and instead of minimum I will say max. Okay, and here I will say max. Okay, now check out. Okay, why is showing an error? Let me take this. I got it. 4 4. Okay, check here. This is my 6 is the largest and this is the smallest one, right? So we are getting this. So I told you, right? And just remember one thing here. The one thing is very important here. We are like minimum always expecting a comparator. Okay, and what is a comparator? If you know the collection, we having a two type of comparing thing, like we have two type of interface, the comparable and comparator. So we are using that functionality here. If you don't get it clearly, let me know, I will explain you again, no problem. Okay, yeah, so the next is minimum maximum we have completed. Maximum we have completed anyMatch, allMatch, noneMatch. Okay, we will do one by one. Okay, come here, and let me copy this again, these two bus. Okay, yeah, let me copy this also. Okay, yeah, and exit is I will give this code. Okay, don't worry. If you need this, just comment down, I will attach to your comment. Okay, now what I have to do, just take this. Okay, yeah, stream. Okay, let do something new here. You will feel like I'm taking this example again and again. So integer and list of number. Okay, so what I'm doing here, list of number. Okay, new, or I will say here not new, array dot arrays dot as list. Here I will pass 10 or 20 or 1 2 3. Okay, so let me do one thing, 22 23 33 45 like this. Okay, so what it is, why it is showing me error, type the list of number integer as list. Okay, sorry, it's my fault. We are using here a list and we are taking a array list. So okay, forget about it. Anyway, we are needed a list only. So because I'm using array list frequently, that's why it's automatically come here. Okay, so yeah, do not worry about it. So at last we need a list object, so we will say list and stream okay. Now what anyMatch, I have to perform anyMatch here. anyMatch, it is asking for a predicate, and how we are writing a lambda expression, you all are perfect in that, right? We have doing this from first day. So anyMatch, if your I will equals to 22, right? And what you will do, or yeah, fine, and this will return a boolean condition true or false. So I will assign to the local variable here, and for local variable I will use syso down and I will print it. Okay, so anyMatch. Okay, if you are feel I'm just little faster, so let me know, I will slow down my speed. Okay, or if there is an option in YouTube, you will do it at 0.75. Yeah, so more space is coming here. Okay, as you can see here, true, right? It's coming true because we have 22 in our array list. Okay, so let me write something else here like 21, and now what it will give you, false, right? So let me take an example of another thing. What it is, it is not 4 5, it is 6. Okay, so another example of allMatch, when it will show you, I'm showing you all these method because to make you like a stream API simpler and to make you comfortable with the stream API. Once you get a basic concept right, and you will perform each and every this functions like this. Okay, so 7 list of numbers, I will give the name here list. Okay, that's all. So anyway, I need to perform operations only. Okay, so list dot stream, because we need a stream, then only we have to perform a terminal operation. So say allMatch, and allMatch also need a predicate. So, and it's not mandatory to use IURL, right? So we have discussed it already in our first video in lambda expression. If you haven't watched it, just go through it. Okay, so now we use something else here, allMatch divisible by 0 or something I will use. Okay, even numbers divisible by 2 equals to 0. Okay, and it will assign to the local variable. So we will say local variable, and for this local variable, why are you showing me an error, buddy? I don't know. Okay, let me check once. You are expecting a predicate only, right? So s greater than 2. I don't need to understand. Oh, okay, yeah, we are taking a s our local variable. So let me take something else here, element. Okay, so element, okay, divided by 2 equals to 0, or no need to do 0. Okay, it will work, but we will do for like my satisfaction. Okay, so system, okay, and allMatch. Let me check what it will give, false. Because why it giving false? Because all these values are not even numbers, right? Okay, so you understand, when we have allMatch, right, then it will give you the like I will change here the lambda expression, then I will show you the exact thing. Greater than 12, all values are greater than 12, right? So let me run this again. True, right? Yeah, got it. Yeah, I think you got it. So now do one thing. Okay, I will make you explain verbally how they work. We have seen anyMatch and allMatch, right? If you like your list do not match anything, like if you pass any lambda expression and it not match anything there, then it will return true. Got it? And findAny, like suppose you use this method like here findAny. Okay, like you are using here allMatch, right? So if you use any findAny and you're this if you're writing this lambda expression and you will got any element according to your lambda expression, then it will throw the true findAny. Okay, and it will give you that element, first element, and that any element, and for findFirst it will give you the first element. Okay, whatever the first element it is. And collect we already saw here, right? So no need to do it again and again. Let me tell you again from which allMatch we have used, right? So noneMatch, if no element matched, let me write for you. If no element match, then it returns true. Okay, return anyMatch. Okay, and return first match. Okay, and collect we have already seen to collect whatever it is, list, to collect list, map. Okay, let me write like this, map and etc. Okay, so yeah, this is all about this stream API. One more video is about to come. This is all, this video is to make you comfortable with the stream API, because after this I will give one video which is dedicated video to interview questions. Okay, so it will help you to know like how the interviewer asking a questions. So there's a one question for you at the end here. Why this stream API, because it's introduced in Java 8, and why this stream API is slow or lazy? Give me the answer. Okay, why this stream API is slow or lazy? If you have an answer of this question, just comment down. We will check. Okay, and we will discuss about it in interview questions. Okay, video in next video. It will come in after 1 or 2 days. So see you guys in next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Take care.